It's official after nearly 2 decades in the shadows. The Ford Excursion is coming back. And no, this isn't just a rebranded expedition. The 2026 Excursion is shaping up to be a full-size, heavy-duty legend, reborn one that blends massive power, over-the-top space, and modern tech into a single, unstoppable SUV. For those who remember the original Excursion from the early 2000s, it was basically a rolling tank built on the Ford Super Duty chassis with room for 9 passengers. DIESEL, power, and towing capabilities. That rivaled pickup trucks. It was a beast. And while some thought it was too much SUV, fans loved it for exactly that reason. Fast forward to today's full-size-crazed market and the Excursion suddenly makes a lot of sense again. So, what do we know about the 2026 model? Early leaks and industry buzz suggest Ford is going Ellen. The new Excursion will reportedly dwarf even the Expedition Max, with a stretched wheelbase that could exceed 137 inches, that would make it longer and possibly even wider than rivals. Like the Chevy Suburban and GMC Yukon XL, we're not just talking big, we're talking category-defining, under the hood. Get ready for serious muscle. The rumored base engine is none other than Ford's 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, producing a hefty 430 horsepower and 470 pounds-ft of torque. That alone would make it one of the most powerful SUVs in its class. But things get even wilder with a potential 6.6-liter Power-Stroke turbodiesel option possibly delivering over 1,000 pounds-ft of torque. That's Super Duty level power in an SUV shell. Whether you're towing boats, campers, or even construction equipment, the new Excursion won't flinch. But don't be fooled, this isn't just about brute force. The 2026 Excursion is also expected to be smarter than ever. Expect to see a massive digital instrument cluster, a large central touchscreen running Ford's latest SYNC system, and features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving tech could also be on board, turning long road trips into effortless cruises. Add in advanced trailer assist systems, a 360-degree camera, and multiple off-road modes, and you're looking at a high-tech powerhouse designed for families who demand more than just weekend versatility. Design-wise, this SUV is going to look as bold as it drives. Expect a square-jawed military-grade exterior pulled straight from the F-Series Super Duty design book. We're talking a massive grille, angular LED lighting, rugged fender flares, and plenty of chrome or blacked-out trim. If you go for an off-road package, it's going to make a statement wherever it goes. Inside, it's all about space and comfort. While official interior photos are still under wraps, you can expect seating for up to 8 high-end materials and a massive cargo area that could rival small delivery vans. Think leather seating, wood or aluminum trim, a panoramic sunroof, and heated and ventilated everything. Whether you're loading up for a cross-country road trip or simply running errands with the whole crew, the Excursion is built to do it all comfortably. As for pricing, it won't be cheap. Estimates put the starting price at around $70,000, with fully loaded trims possibly reaching $90,000 or more. But when you consider that this SUV could replace both a heavy-duty truck and a luxury family hauler, it might just be a smart move for buyers who need it all in one package.